In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vendor in QuickBooks efficiently and effectively. Adding vendors accurately is a crucial part of managing your financial data, and this guide will help streamline your process. So let's dive in and ensure you've got everything set up perfectly. First, open up your web browser and head over to QuickBooks by typing in the URL or clicking the link provided in the description below. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not yet comfortable. This will help you navigate more smoothly as we proceed. After you've arrived at the home page, look for the Vendors option, which should be visible in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Vendors will direct you to a new page where you can manage all your vendor-related activities. Here you will notice a button to the right that says New Vendor. Clicking this button will allow you to add all the necessary details about the vendor you wish to include in your QuickBooks account. Now that you've selected New Vendor, let's focus on inputting all the important information. You'll see a section labeled Name and Contact. Go ahead and click on this to enter the vendor's full name and contact information, like their phone number and email address. Be precise here, as this ensures all communications and transactions are linked to the correct contact details. Next, let's hit the Address section. This is where you'll enter the vendor's business address. Make sure to double-check for any typos or inaccuracies, since these details may be critical for invoicing and shipping purposes later on. After entering the address, we move to the Notes and Attachments area. Here you can add any specific notes or attach files that might be relevant to this vendor. Perhaps something like a copy of a contract or specific instructions they've provided. This section is handy for keeping all your vendor information organized in one central location. Following this, the Bill Pay ACH Info section allows you to input the vendor's ACH banking details if you plan on sending payments electronically. Ensure these details are correct to avoid any future payment issues. Don't forget to check out the Additional Info section. Here you might need to include things like tax IDs or any custom fields your business might require for vendor records. This helps in keeping your vendor database comprehensive and tailored to your needs. Finally, after you've reviewed all the entered information, click on Détailler. Site. This step confirms the addition of your new vendor and records all the entered data securely in your QuickBooks account. And just like that, you've successfully added a new vendor. Take a deep breath and give yourself a pat on the back for mastering these simple steps. Having all your vendors organized and accurately recorded in QuickBooks is an excellent practice for effective financial management. With that, you've just taken a big step towards smoother business operations. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.